Hey guys! What's up? It's your girl Cheska and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to try and do a review of some of the products by BeautyBigBang. The first thing they sent to me is an eyeshadow palette. So ito siya. So these are all earth toned shadows and this is in number 02. The next item is the loose powder. This is in number 02 or natural. The last thing and the product that I'm most excited about is the rainbow highlighter. This is in number 01. So dahil sa BeautyBigBang, nagkaroon ako ng rainbow highlighter. So ayan, I'm so excited to try this. They also sent me this card which just says BeautyBigBang and their website. And sa likod are just their social media accounts. Hindi ko na ito patatagalin. Without further ado, let's get started. So right now, I only have foundation, concealer, and then lipstick. And the first thing that we're going to try is the loose powder, of course. We need to set this face. So sabi dito sa website, it creates a flawless finish, it absorbs oil, it minimizes pores and fine lines, and it leaves your face looking healthy and radiant all day. Dito sa website, they have 3 shades nitong powder. Merong light, medium, and dark. So yung isang ganito contains 48 grams of product, which I think is pwede mo siyang gamitin pang travel. And then the next thing that we're going to test is the eyeshadow palette. I'm going to start off with this color as my transition shade. As you can see, there is pigment, but let's see kung meron siyang fallouts later. I don't really have any plan as for the eye makeup that I'm going to do. So, bahala na kung anong magawa natin. So far, it is blendable. And when you touch it, hindi siya ganun ka-creamy. But, ayan. Guys, kung maputi pala yung mukha ko dito, like what I've noticed with some of your comments, it's because of the lighting. Kasi yung ring light talaga is like boom in your face. But believe me, sakto lang yung foundation ko, guys, ha? Anyway, let's go back. Doon na tayo sa second shade, which is the darkest one. So I'm going to apply it on the inner and outer corners of my eyes. I'll just make sure that there are no harsh lines. So, dadagdagan ko lang ng darker shade ulit. Kasi parang nakukulangan ako. Habang biniblend siya kasi parang nawawala. And then, for the middle of the eyes, I'm going to take this purple shimmery shade. Ayan. Ang ganda ng kulay nito, guys. Wala namang pangit na purple sa akin. So, let's go. Ayan. So far, wala pa namang fallouts. Ito yung iba pang shimmery shadows. Ayan. Parang okay lang. Now, I'm going to take this pink shade. Matte shadow siya. And ilalagay ko lang siya sa crease. Now, I'm going to get this shade and I'm going to apply it to my brow bone para magbuka lang malinis din. Actually, let's try to use this. This is like a pearl shimmery shade. Pwede. And then for the bottom lashes, I will apply this shade. Yung unang shade na nilagay natin kanina. And then I'm going to take the darkest shade again. Alright, so naglagay lang ako ng eyeliner, mascara, and then nag-bronzer na din ako, and then blush. And now we're going to try the last item here, which is the rainbow highlighter. Ayan. As you can see, it has 5 different colors. I'm going to swirl this all over. Yung consistency nito, medyo matigas siya. Hindi siya creamy, guys. Powdery siya. Ooh, okay. Okay. Ooh. For me, maganda yung highlight. Although, it's not your everyday highlight. But if you want to blind those haters and stand out, And we're done testing or trying out these new products. Doon naman tayo sa pinaka-review. Unahin ko na yung loose powder. It has been a few hours after I apply this. And I feel like malapit na ako dun sa point na kailangan ko na mag-reapply. But right now, it's still okay. My concern is the longevity of this product. Ang original price pala nito, guys, is 415 and 02 cents. Pero ngayon, naka 50% off siya. So, 207.25 pesos na lang. Why not, diba? I mean, okay naman yung finish niya for me. Saktong-sakto lang yung pagkamat niya. Meron pa rin siyang iniiwang dewiness dyan sa skin. And of course, it's very handy. Sabi ko nga, pwede nyo siyang gamitin everyday. Or isama nyo siya sa makeup bag nyo for your everyday use. The next one is the eyeshadow palette. Actually, I like this palette. Ang may problema lang ako dito is the darkest shade. You need to work and layer it para makuha mo yung kulay na gusto mo. But the rest is okay for me. Hindi sila creamy. Pag hinawakan mo sila, powdery. And yet, wala masyadong fallouts. At gustong-gusto ko yung color selection from this palette. Pwede ka maka-create ng bold look or ng natural everyday look, which is good. Merong variety. Yung price nito is 674.19, which I think is a little bit pricey. But meron silang 38% off right now for 114 pesos and 69 cents na lang. And then the last one is, of course, my favorite. This is the rainbow highlighter. Ayan siya, guys. So, meron siyang green, meron din blue, makikita mo rin yung yellow. And ang gusto ko dito is yung finish niya. I know that it's not a product for natural glow, but I also believe that anyone can rock this highlighter and slay. Gusto ko talaga yung highlighter, guys. Promise. Ang price pala nitong highlighter is 414.92 cents. But right now, they offer 38% off. And may good news din ako sa inyo, guys. If you're interested with the products that I just tried, you can go ahead and purchase them. Aside dun sa discounted price, you can get another 10% off when you use my code, which is CHEX10. That's CHEX10. O, diba, bongga, may pa-discount code na sila for me. I'm really happy that BeautyBigBang gave one for me, for you guys. So, kukunin ko na rin tong moment na to to thank BeautyBigBang for giving me the opportunity to try their products, which I end up loving, lalo na yung highlighter. So, yun lang, guys. That completes our try-on/review video of some of the products by BeautyBigBang. I will put all the important links as well as the discount code down in the description box so you guys check it out. And if you have any comments, suggestions, or video requests, put it in the comment section down below. And of course, if you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also click that notification bell and be a part of the squad and be updated of my future videos. And lastly, you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. All links are in the description box as well. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!